Hello everyone, so in this video I will be explaining you how you can use ChatGPT to solve multiple problems during programming and when you're working for any software house or you're doing any problem in terms of any projects. So first of all, what you normally face is, let's suppose you have a question which is related to programming. So you can just simply type here, what is an interface in C sharp. So C sharp is a language, so I'll be referring to it. So it will give you an explanation like C sharp interface is a type that defines as mode, methods, properties, or events. It will also give a bit of example here, and you can see how you can define the interface. Also you can simply, it will give you an example how you will implement it as well. So this is one thing which you can do. The second thing is, let's suppose if you have a problem and you don't know how to implement it, what is the best way to implement that problem. So I have a problem here. um, so I've got a problem here which I'll paste uh, in ChatGPT, and you can simply ask it like what would be the best way to implement this in .NET. .NET is a framework which is used to develop different technologies, so it will give you an example. So this is going to be the possible diagram it's giving you, and now it's giving you the explanation of how you can use it in your code. So don't think that this could be 100% the possible solution for that, but yes, you can use it uh, to basically get an idea what would be the best implementation, and you can use it thoroughly. So let's suppose in this example I have got a task. Let's say it's total price to customer based on their location and number of pizzas ordered. um, let's suppose it's a Preston pizzeria, and then there are different types of pizzas here, and the ingredients plus the price. There's South Bank pizzeria, and there are different types of pizzas here. Also it says there's additional requirement which will say that the topping will be charged for $1 and etc. So now let's see what ChatGPT is giving to us. Is one possible way to implement this in .NET would be use combination of classes and interfaces to represent the different entities involved: pizzeria, pizzas, toppings, etc., along with the appropriate methods and properties to perform the required calculation. Here is a possible diagram which is it showing. iPizzeria is an interface. iPizza is an interface as well. Pizzeria is a class, and pizza is a class as well, which is going to be inherited from iPizza and iPizzeria. Now the next thing it says is, just jump into the code and see what it's saying. So it has created a class called custom order where you have a list of pizzas, and there's a pizzeria as well. And then in the constructor it is basically passing both of them. And now it has created a method which will obviously return the calculate total price based on whatever you are selecting here. So yeah, so that's how you can use ChatGPT to to ask different problems, different programming problems which you can solve through it. Also, you can learn different languages through that. You can have a better idea. Let's suppose you are working on React.js and you don't know how to pass different objects or different properties through methods. So you can ask like how to pass different how to pass a property in React.js. So it will give you an explanation again. To pass a property you need to use prop, so like that. And then so let's suppose this is a component and you're using a greeting component. Here it's a greeting component and you can pass name equals to Alice or Bob. So yeah, like that. So it will give you example and better explanation. Hopefully this video will help you out in your programming journey, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for the support.